We are going to have a very good show today. Look at the total tree. It just break this trend line with a huge vector candle. This vector candle is huge. We have been talking about this chart for some time now, and today we are seeing some sort of movement here with this huge vector candle, and also Bitcoin is trading above what? $65,000. Today's show is going to be big, big, big. I want us to look at some altcoins that we are going to be buying when Bitcoin break $65,000 and stay above $65,000. And also, we're going to look at some analysis here. We're going to look at the total trade, look at total two, look at USDT dominance, look at all these factors that is going to help us to make better decisions investing in this brutal industry. We are going to look at some altcoins that I have kept on my radar, and these altcoins I believe are going to make us huge gains. And the reason why I say so, I want to unveil it to you. Not now, but in the course of the show, I want to explain to you why I am going to be buying all of these coins. Not all of these coins, but I want to be looking at possibilities from all of these coins. Anyone that show me the signal, I'm going to apply what I educate you guys every day on it. To get get a good entry and a good exit. If you're new here, you are watching the Returns Crypto. I'm all about market structure, all about profit taking, all about helping you avoiding losing money to the market makers, the whales. We don't have so much money to lose here. We have just little money, so we have to make sure we keep that money when we make it. That's why I'm always gonna be here with you guys to help you, help me make money in this game. So if say this is your first time, you're welcome. If you are returning, you're welcome. Let's do the normal stuff. Like, share, and let's dive. Let's dive. There's no time to waste here, boy. Oh boy, I'm so excited because what we have been talking about is come to pass. Let's first of all, guys, look at what is going on with the bubbles. This is crypto bubbles on the top 100 coins. We're gonna look at the top 500 coins, but let's begin with the top 100 coins. You can see Pepe, Shiba Inu, Bread, Rune, Sat, STRK. Let's go to the top 200 coins. Let's see what's going on there. Mock, ZRO, Cat, AXL, Trust Wallet, Dogs. Let's go to the top 200, 300. Let's see Mooden, 49%. Michi is up 21%. Andy is up 10%. Oh boy, this is crazy. Ponke is creating some giving us some signals that they want to start moving up as well. We are looking at now the top 300 coins. Bitcoin, Trump was sleeping and now Trump is up. Mother, Crown, World, Apple, WMT. Let's go to the top 500 now. Let's see. Perio, Daddy, GFL. I don't know what that is. Miria, Tor. Toshi is also trying to give us some signals here. Let's look at some news. Oh, US spot Bitcoin ETF continue positive streak with 116 million inflows. BlackRock IBIT attract 184 million. Wow, guys, this is awesome. I love when I see news like this. BlackRock giving us the signal that there's inflow. Many investors are getting on board to buy Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin is the alpha. And when Bitcoin moves, the market moves with Bitcoin. This should be in your head. When the market is moving and Bitcoin is not moving, then my friend, cash your profit and run with it because Bitcoin is gonna eat all your profit. But if Bitcoin moves like what Bitcoin is doing right like at this point in time, your altcoin are gonna move as well. So let's dive into the analysis. This is awesome to see that inflows keep coming on board, and yeah, this also paper to let US business clients to buy wholesale crypto. It's good news to see that paper is going to be allowing Bitcoin, or let me not say Bitcoin because when they say business client, we are talking about Bitcoin here. And when we see more people getting involved in cryptocurrency through paper, paper is one of the largest payment gateway, like let's say third party payment gateway like Visa, Mastercard. So paper is in that range, and to see that paper is going to be allowing US businesses to their clients to buy whole crypto, then I think this is awesome. They also have the paper USD, that is the paper stable coin, which is good. Now let's dive into our analysis for today before we dive into the top coins, meme coins. Like these coins are all mixed. I've line up so many coins that I want us to look at today. There are so many of them, and as I mentioned, I'm gonna be explaining to you why I'm looking at these coins. I hold some of them already, and there are some that I'm looking at. I want to explain to you why I'm looking at it, this way. Now let's dive into it. To the next, which is I want us to look at this total tree. Now, guys, these are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, the reason why this chart is important is because this chart represents everything altcoin, meme coin, whatever you want to call it, this chart. So if this chart is showing bullish, like what it is right now, then your altcoins that move alongside Bitcoin are going to be showing bullish also. Now, what did I mention in my previous stream? We want to see price do something like this. This is the structure that price have been holding. You can call it trend line or whatever you want to call it. This was a structure. Yeah. And I have been talking about this long time ago, and I even did a video saying that if price is going to break this zone, do something like this on the total tree, break, then come back, hold this zone, guys. We are in the alt season because the next movement will take altcoin right up to this zone here, right up to this zone. Let me mark this properly. Right up to this zone. The next movement will be like boom, right up to recover all of those vectors there. So if you are actually looking at any altcoin right now, you need to look at this altcoin on the daily time frame to see what is going on. Is this altcoin breaking structure at this point in time, or is it going towards structure? Because if it's going towards structure, then it's going to take some time for that altcoin to just break like that, to break that resistance and take price to the upside. But if say we look at other altcoins, I'm going to go to some altcoins to give you guys to show you guys what I'm trying to say here. But in this case, we don't have so much to talk about. Like we don't have much to talk about than to say price should do what I just mentioned. And if price is gonna do what I just mentioned, then it means structure has been broken. And when structure is broken, oh boy, you want to get involved because when price retraces, the next pump is gonna be huge. And if price retraces again, the next pump again is gonna be huge, right up to this level here. So I think we are getting closer. This is the beginning. If say this candle close above, then this is gonna be the beginning of the coin season. But there's another chart I want us to look at, which is this one, and this is the total two. Now the total two haven't yet broken any structure; it's still in this range, and these are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin. Yeah, excluding Bitcoin, meaning Solana is not Solana or Ethereum. They are not doing so well. All right, but usually they're the ones that move this chart. But you can see they are still not doing well. Price is still in this range. So we're gonna see Solana, and Ethereum, BNB, these top coins that are in the total two to move and break this zone. We want to see them break this zone. I've already marked something like this. Come back, retest it, and move to the upside. When price, guys, don't rush to, like, you can even take profit. You can even stay away from the market from this zone. It's okay. It's fine. Like tomorrow, we're gonna see some pullback. Trust me. Tomorrow is Friday, and usually Fridays we see pullbacks. So you can start taking out profit already. Yeah. Don't expect the market to keep going, and even if the market keep going up, it will come back and retest these zones. This is how the market move, guys. Market structure must always be respected. If it's not instantly, but at one point, price is going to come back to those zones to eat back that liquidity that price left behind. That's how price move. So when you miss any move, like price break structure, be patient. Wait for price to retest, and that's when you're buying. In this case, when we see price retest, we are buying back because we know that this zone that we're going to be buying is going to be the zones that all coins are going to retrace to based on what they are doing on their end. Now, let's look at what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, Bitcoin now is around this zone. We have talked about all this zone multiple times, and we have mentioned this. We have mentioned that Bitcoin must break above, at least above $65,000 for us to confirm that we are back in an uptrend. And Bitcoin must not just recover all of these vectors. Yeah, it has to break and close above. Now, this daily candle should close above this zone here where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. If this is the case, if this comes to pass, then guys, we can confirm again that we are in the alt season, because what will happen is Bitcoin is gonna do something like this. It's gonna, break the structure, at least come back there, hold the structure, because we have seen price rejected that zone multiple times. You can see, yeah, yeah. If I zoom out, you're gonna see that this zone has been an important zone. You see, yeah, yeah, also yeah, also yeah, yeah, and yeah. So this is something that we should expect. I expected price to do this because price did this, it came down, it held, and I was expecting some sort of rejection here, but I didn't expect it to just break easily like that. So what price is doing now is what I have anticipated in the past, and it's happening now in the future, like currently. So I want us to also look at this chart. This is the USDT chart. This chart is very important because it gives us where the momentum is in the market, what investors are favoring. This is USDT chart, or let's say USDT dominance. And my previous videos, I already mentioned that this trend line might be respected until we see USDT dominance break right up towards this area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, or maybe it might do something like this. It might keep doing something like this, go up, come down, go up, come down until it break down or break up. So that's what it's gonna do. But so far as is in this range, it is in this range, moving up and down. That's how the price of Bitcoin and other cryptos are gonna be moving. Now, when price is dumping, like when the USDT dominance is dumping, it means that investors are favoring more cryptocurrency. That's they are moving their money from USDT into crypto, be it Bitcoin, Solana, you can call it whatever coin is pumping. They are cashing out their money from USDT and buying that coin. Okay, and when you start seeing dominance going up, it means that they are leaving those coins back into USDT. They prefer to be back in USDT. So this is just a concept on of USDT dominance, how it works. Okay, so now let's get to the alpha of today. What you guys have been waiting for, the altcoins that I am looking at. So now is the time for you to pick you like take your phone. If you're watching me through your phone, screenshot, or if you have a pen and paper, then get ready. Let's write on this bad boy. Now, the first coin that I have on my list that I believe can make you so much gain is Maga. This coin is up 15,000%, and the range at which you are going to be buying this coin, let me say, like how long are you going to buy this coin, is going to based on what will happen in the US election. This coin is more of Donald Trump, so it represents Trump, right? Trump supporters, they are the ones pushing this coin. So if Trump is going to win the US election, then this coin is going to pump like 10x. Trust me. But if Trump is going to lose, then this coin can dump to zero. That's just the risk with this coin. And the reason why I am buying the coin, or I'm trading the coin, is because I believe Trump is going to win the election. And I believe that if Trump win the election, generally everything crypto is going to pump. And coins like this are going to pump really drastically. So this is just a meme coin based on Trump, and you can buy this on these exchanges, Uniswap, Radium, Oka, PancakeSwap, Gate.io, Mexi. So these are the exchanges where you can go buy it, or you can buy it via your Trust wallet. You can just get the contract address from here. It's on Solana and Base Network, as and BNB Smart Chain too. So they just added this BNB Smart Chain. You can buy this coin from these exchanges. Now the next coin that I have here is Toshi. Toshi is up today, or about 11%. I think to an extent, it's more than 11%. I think today, let's see, today is up about 11%, and the volume has been increasing right now. It's up 50%, and we have 3,264,000 volume, and the market cap has increased by 11%. This is great, And if we look at what this coin has done for the year, you can see it is up to, 38 no 282%, which is great. And these are the zones or areas where you can buy it. Let me not say zones. The exchanges where you can buy it, Uniswap, Get.io, BingX, Bitmap, Bitmat, xt.com. So these are the exchanges where you can buy it. But Toshi, it's a meme coin that has done so well in the past, and I think it can still do well. Now, looking at the entry, I didn't want to do this, but I'm gonna do a separate video on that. The like price prediction for Toshi, like a separate video only on Toshi alone. I don't want to go now because we don't have much time to go deeper into the analysis. But this coin is one of those coins I'm looking at. When Bitcoin break stay above $65,000, and the next I have here is bread. Okay, this one is easy. It's pretty easy for me. This is the top meme coin on the base network, and anyone who is going to be building on the base network or listing any coin on the base network or trading on the base network is going to be buying this coin. And looking at the market cap right now, about almost 1 billion, I think that is still a small cap because this is the biggest meme coin or the biggest coin on the base network. And base network is owned by Coinbase. And we know that Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges in the world. So many investors who want to trade are going to be trading mostly on Coinbase product. They're going to favor more. They're going to favor Coinbase more. So it's right to say, Bread or the the base blockchain is gonna get more investors or more traders from the base ecosystem or the Coinbase ecosystem. So that's why this is a big, big, big play for me. I always have bread. I trade it alongside Ethereum. I buy when it's pumped. I sell into Ethereum. So bread is helping me to make more Ethereum. Then Solana coins helps me to make more Solana. I have three coins that I'm making: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. These are my three coins that I'm making. And Ethereum, Solana are making me Bitcoin, while the other meme coins that I trade on the Ethereum base network and Solana network make me Ethereum and Solana. And when I make Solana and Ethereum, I then buy Bitcoin. So it's a plan that go out that I've set aside, like a way. Let me say, like plan I've set aside is my strategy. Is how I go about the market, how I protect myself, how I trade. So this is something I think if you want to learn, then I can teach you. I can do this every day. I come here, but if you really want to take your investment to the next level, then I will recommend you have my one-on-one session where I'm going to take you through all of this so that you can master everything that I do. Now let's move to the next, which is Baby Doge Coin. I know most of you like before I even go to address what I wanted to say. Um, Baby Dogecoin, and most of you are looking at it right now saying that Baby Dogecoin has tricked you, I've done that. But let's read this. It says here, please note that Baby Dogecoin and 1M Baby Doge refer to the same asset in different denominations. I have to stress on this because I've seen comments on my videos that this is a scam, or so not that it's a scam, that Baby Dogecoin community have tricked them or the management have tricked them. They waited for 2 years and now they have to go and list another Baby Dogecoin on Binance. No, guys, this is the same. So the difference is just what they explained there, the denomination, right? So if I buy Baby Dogecoin right now, with the eight zeros Baby Dogecoin, and you buy the 2 zeros Baby Dogecoin on Binance, that's the 1 million. If you buy it for $1,000 each, and the one on Binance move 10%, the one with 8 zeros is gonna move 10% as well. So the amount you bought on Binance, maybe you bought more in terms of let's say numbers, and I bought less in terms of numbers as well. But the money I'm gonna make, if say it move 10%, gonna be the same as you. I might hold 10 trillion that costs 1,000, and you hold 500 million that costs 1,000. We all earn the same amount of money. It's just that Binance listed Baby Doge Coin, like it divided by 1 million. So let me see. Yeah, it divided it by 1 million before it listed on their platform to attract more investors, because there's so many zeros to attract more investors. People want to see small zeros or less zeros. Not just small zeros. They want to see less zeros, so that it gets to $1, $2. They're like, okay, now this coin can get to $5. But if see it has 8 zeros, you'll be asking when you're gonna kill 2 zeros, 3 zeros, and 4 zeros. So that's just different. I had to explain this so um you can understand more on how this works. Okay. Now, those of you who are like skeptical about the Dogecoin, let me tell you something. Most of the meme coins I'm gonna share with you here today are gonna go to zero. Trust me, but not Baby Dogecoin. I've explained to you guys the scenarios where Baby Dogecoin is gonna go to zero. It's only when the team are going to stop building new utilities. If you go on their X platform, there's a lot of stuff that is going on, and you can also see how it's being reflected on the volume. The volume is up, well, it's down 48%, but now it's traded is around 43.54 million. Before it was over 100 million, and this is because Baby Dogecoin is being traded in multiple exchanges right now, and I think that it's good for the price, because if they keep moving the price up and down, it helps, or it creates more environment for investors or traders to come on board, and make it nice, tradable. If they trade it and it makes the price become volatile, yeah, it's a good thing. But long term, the market cap is going to be increasing until we're going to get to 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion. So Dogecoin, to me, is more of the utility, it's more of the community, it's more of like the utility, that like everything that they are building on the platform. I think that's just what is making me to think that the coin is not going to go to zero. That's it. So the Dogecoin is one of the coins that I am holding, and if a coin is gonna go to zero, I'm gonna tell you guys that it's gonna go to zero. Doesn't mean that if I talk about a coin, it means it won't go to zero. But if it comes to that, I'm gonna tell you guys I'm not in love. Like, I am not in love. Like, okay, this is Baby Dogecoin, or this is Nero, or this is Floki. I'm gonna die if it goes to now. I invest based on market structure. I invest based on what the chart is telling me, and also look at fundamentals. And if I look at Baby coin price right now, I think the fundamentals is good, but the price isn't reflecting the fundamentals. Looking at what is going on with other coins out there that have nothing to show. Okay, so let's move to the next coin, which is Floki Inu. Now, Floki Inu, I'm not going to talk more about Floki Inu because it's a different meme coin. They have similar activities like Baby Doge Coin. They have more than 200 million, not 20 million. They have they have more than 200 million in volume. You can see they have 260 million, yeah, in volume, which is good. And we want to see Baby Doge Coin get towards that. And if Baby Doge Coin get towards that, the market cap of a Doge Coin is going to increase as well. So if you see what Floki Inu has achieved, then it's similar to what Baby Doge Coin is doing. And look at where Floki Inu is, and look at where Baby Doge Coin is. Both coins are, undervalued. I just think so. So Floki Inu is one of those coins. The next that I have here is Audi. Okay, Audi, is my Bitcoin messenger. When Bitcoin is gonna pump, I'm gonna buy Audi because I know Audi is gonna pump. When Bitcoin is gonna dump, I want to sell my Audi into Bitcoin because I know that if Bitcoin is gonna dump like 10%, Audi will dump about 15% or 20%. So in essence, Audi is gonna help make me more Bitcoin. So that's just the reason why I love Audi. And more to that, Audi is ordinance. It's inscribed on it's a new technology on the Bitcoin blockchain. And I think that this is a technology that have use cases in the world. You can inscribe stuff on the Bitcoin blockchain through the ordinary platform. So I think this is good, you know. And if ODI is going to increase in value, I know that Bitcoin also is going to increase in value. So that's why you see me, I have ODI on this list, is because of Bitcoin. Every coin I have here move alongside Bitcoin or move after Bitcoin has moved. And this is good. If a coin is not moving when Bitcoin is moving, then point fingers at that coin. Now, let's move to this near protocol. The reason why I have near protocol here is because this is one of the largest AI project on the blockchain in the crypto space. Let me put it that way. This protocol is gonna be one of the top. Just like Nvidia is. I think Near Protocol is going to be the leader in the crypto space when it comes to AI. That's why I have Near Protocol here. Much that this coin move alongside Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is doing so well, Near Protocol is going to do so well and outperform Bitcoin most of the time. And I want to see a coin that outperform Bitcoin most of the time. If not, then I don't want to see you. I don't want to be with you. I don't want to spend time with you. Of course, guys, this is just an aside. But I'm really, really happy. Guys, sorry, I have dry lips. I want to, a few more lips dry. We have to drink water, but I don't have water here. Yeah, I have been talking. But guys, you understand, I don't just buy. Trust me, I don't just buy. I buy with reasons. And the reasons are, does this coin move with Bitcoin? Do they have a good fundamentals? Do they have use cases? Are people or humans in love with those use cases or are going to be using those use cases? And also, can this coin make me money at the chart looking so good? If these are not like in front of me, I don't buy it. I don't go there. And I select coins. You guys, the same thing I do, yeah. You must not choose my coins. No. Don't get me wrong. They have more than 1 million coins, thousands of them in the crypto space. You must not choose my coin. But the same analysis you can apply to any coin. That's why I'm not here to tell you buy this coin. No. My main goals here, like my channel, is helping you to understand market structure, understand trading, understand what you should be looking at when you are being presented when you are being presented with any project, what you look at. That's what I am all about. That's what I want you guys to get. Like I don't want you guys to buy Floki Inu, buy Baby Doge Coin, buy any protocol because I say so. No, I want you to buy it because you have gone and realized that this guy is right. What this guy is saying based on his analysis, based on the way he does things, is the same thing I can apply to any coin and it's gonna work for me. So it's not about like I don't care about all of these coins. Go to my channel, you'll see I've talked about many of these coins, and I left them far away. And when they come back and I see that they are back to my zone, I want to talk about them again because I want you guys. My allegiance is to you guys. My allegiance is to my viewers. I want them to have stuff that will help them make money and have the right mindset. That's just what I'm all about. I'm not here to, make anyone become a millionaire. No, I'm just here to help us understand how the market moves and how we can take advantage of it. Now, let's dive into something else. But near the protocol, I explained to you guys why I'm buying that. Let's see Shiba Inu. Yeah, we know this is a big dog, the big dog. There's no way you want to have your portfolio without Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and most of the coin. Like if say you must have more meme coins in your portfolio, like okay, let me explain to you guys this. This is gonna blow your mind. I think my channel is gonna be one of those channels out there that will tell you guys the truth. This is a game. If meme coin is your play, if meme coin is your big play, you want to make money in the meme space, then you need to identify the top three meme coins. You can always have the top two or the number one. Let's say like always have the top two. If say you have, let's say for example, you want to buy only meme coin, you want to look at Bitcoin and your play is meme coin, then make sure you always have Dogecoin and Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. These are the biggest meme coin. Okay. Now, what do you do? If you make money in Baby Doge Coin, in Floki Inu, in Boomer, in Popcat, in Trump Coin, in Mock Coin, in Toshi, you are cashing the profit into Baby Dogecoin, no, into Dogecoin. My lips is full with Baby Dogecoin. Into Dogecoin or Shiba Inu. Let me tell you why. When price is going against you, or when the market is dumping, the meme coin with low liquidity are going to dump more than the meme coins with high liquidity. I mean, in terms of market cap. If say Dogecoin have more than, like, not so if say Dogecoin have 13 billion in market cap. Shiba Inu have, I think, about let's say, I don't know, 10 billion in market cap. If price is dropping, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin cannot drop as Boomer or maybe Dogecoin or any other coins that are, below them. That's just the mindset you should understand. And if you come to the conclusion that this coin, when market is dropping, it drops like 10 times more or 3 times more than the Baby Dogecoin, or more than Dogecoin, or more than Shiba Inu, then you are selling that coin when you make profit into the coin that doesn't fall, when the price is dipping. So when we are in a boom, in a bear market, like when we are seeing a retracement, you want to get into those meme coins that have high cap, and you know that you're going to be always in the market. But when price is going to dip, you're going to sell that meme coin and buy your meme coin, that has dropped tremendously. So let's say Dogecoin is going to drop 10%, that meme coin might drop 20%. Now you sacrifice 10% to gain 20%. Is this not genius? It is genius. You just have to focus on those coins. Forget the noise out there. Focus on those coins and make the money. We are here to make money, not to play with this. So let's dive into this. And I've even taken so much time already. I wanted to do 31 minutes, but time is. So let's move to the next. This is meme coin. Meme coin is the next. I'm gonna go quick right now. Meme coin is the next. The next is Book of Memes. Book of Memes is the next coin I'm looking at. The next I have here is Mock Coin. Mock Coin is on the base network, and I think we can see this coin go right up to 10 billion in market cap. Let's go also to Migo. I made a video on about Migo. Go and watch my Migo video. Even if you are a Baby Doge coin lover, this coin can make you huge gains. Looking at current price action, I think this coin have a potential to even 5x anytime soon. That's my analysis. You can take it or you leave it. Of course, guys, I'm no financial advisor. I'm just someone who is here doing stuff that he love. So if say you love what I do, then feel free to go ahead. Guys, I'm gonna come to your questions. I can see you guys on the chat, so keep piling your questions. I'm gonna come and answer all of those questions. So we have Miro, we have here Ponke. Ponke is also a good coin, and this coin is on Solana blockchain. We have also here Giga that's Giga. This is a meme coin also on the Solana blockchain, and we have here still Guac is a Solana meme coin as well. We have here Daddy Tate is a Solana meme coin, and I think Tate is gonna make us huge gain. And the reason why I'm buying Tate is because of Andrew Tate. That's it. If Andrew Tate stop, promoting this coin, then I'm gonna stop buying this coin. But because of him, in trading this coin alongside other meme coins that I mentioned to you guys earlier. And there's one thing here I want us to look at, which is very important. Let's look at where Bitcoin is going. Let's look at where there are liquidity in the market, so we can easily understand where we are. Anyways, I already talked about these zones here a long time ago. If you follow my channel, then you know that I called $66,000 for Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin should hold above that zone 55, sorry 65, 66, then we are good to go long term with all coins. So right now, let me refresh this and see what we got for the next 3 days. For the next 3 days, I'm looking at Bitcoin to come right down to $62,000. It can happen. We can see Bitcoin go right down to $62,000, or let's say the next 1 week. Let's see what might happen with Bitcoin price. Let's see if so we got okay. It can come down here to $62,000, or it can go right up to $67,000. So let's just see what price is going to happen. What's going to happen with price, and we are prepared. Regardless of what direction price is going to take. So let me answer some of your questions right now. Let's see which questions you have here. But before we do, let me just bring in the bubbles while I answer your questions. Let's just bring in the bubbles here while I go through some of your questions. You know. Okay, let's see. Um, Ter, Terrauli Crypto says, "Hey bro, what do you think we will dump in the next 2 days or go to 68K?" I think in the next 2 days we're going to see some sort of reversal, but as I mentioned, based on my analysis, we don't want to see Bitcoin go below $64,000. It should stay above $64,000. No matter what happens, we want Bitcoin to stay above that range. Okay, I mentioned to you guys earlier, and of course, I think we should see a dump, but a dump should be accompanied by a huge buyback. So this is what might happen. Let me just go to the chart of Bitcoin quickly so I can show you something here. Now, we are in this zone for Bitcoin right now. We are around 65,200. But in this zone, let's go to the, okay, we are on the 1 hour time, sorry, the 1 day time frame or the daily time frame. Now, we want to see this candle close above, as I mentioned. And if we're going to see some sort of reversal, of course, you know what to do. You have to just bring in the Fibonacci tool, as I always, do here. Pull it. Let's say price is going to go right up here. And we are looking for pullback back to $63,000 at least. If price is going to go right up here to 70 or let's say 68. So if it goes to $68,000, then we're going to expect pullback around $62,000. And if we go to this chart here, it's exactly what I just mentioned or what we saw here. This is it. We have liquidity here around $62,000. So they can push price back there, but price shouldn't go below, because I think if price go below, then it's going to take time to come back up. So $62,000 might be the zone where we see reversal during this weekend. It might happen usually Friday, like tomorrow, Friday is a day that we see take out profit because the market is going to close tomorrow. So whatever happens during weekend is not real retail. It's not actually um, institutional money. It's just maybe retail money. So my lips are getting dry. You know, sorry guys, I have to. So I don't get the dry lips. Hopefully, it's not disturbing you guys. Anyway, so that's that. Let's see other question we got here. Hopefully the question is well understood. I mean, sorry, my response is well understood. Adele say hi. I love your show, your live. Thank you. That's my daughter. My daughter is watching me and learning crypto. Oh boy, I come good job, bro. Thanks so much, my brother. I Akan Pro, you are the pro. Yeah, Penrilla. Odi is Bitcoin handbag. Yeah, that's my wife, Penrilla. Odi is Bitcoin's handbag. All right. Can't wait for Illivium. I know. My wife saying this. Can't wait for Illivium. My wife, she loves Illivium so much. She's one of Illivium, like the number one Illivium's fan. I think if Illivium goes to let's say $100, my wife can become an Illivium millionaire. So yeah, I'm praying. Let's just look at Illivium quickly. Let me do that for my wife. I know she loves Illivium so much. So let's do something quickly for Illivium. Let's see what's going on with Illivium. And yeah, Illivium. Oh boy. Okay, yeah, sweetheart. Illivium is about to give you some profit. Yeah. It has formed this vector candle, yeah. And you know what I always mention about vector candles? When you see vector candles like that and price didn't eat all of the vector candles, it means that we are gonna pump. And I've told you guys how to know when the target, like how to know where the target is. You bring in the Fibonacci tool from the top there to where this dump ended, and we are looking around $80 for the cash out profit. So around $80-$90 for the first profit. If you are buying it, you can sell when Illusion get to about $90, or you can just hold it. If say the alpha trend print a buy signal here, then Illusion break structure, and this is a structure that is going to break. Not this first one. This first one is going to be confirmation, and the second one is going to be more confirmation. And pullback should be like this, then take it right to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for Elysium. Guys, it's just simple if you understand market structure. And you can pull this tool here, and if you understand how to use the alpha trend, it's simple buy sell signal, and you combine it with the way I analyze the market. This is simple, guys. It's not, of course, it might be difficult for those of you who are here for the first time, but those of you who have been following my channel, this is simple. Simple. Neo, what range? I have not done Neo for some time now. Like never. Let me say for some time now, as if I've done Neo before. I've never done Neo, but let me do Neo for the first time. Let's see. If I'm doing Neo now, it's gonna be for my first Neo analysis. I've never done Neo. Let's see. Neo is actually on Binance. Oh, how come I didn't know this? Okay, anyways, it's because Neo is not my coin. Wow, guys, this chart is not sustainable. Trust me. What is going on right now is exit liquidity. You know, they are using you guys for exit liquidity. You see, these market makers, they came here and they pump the price up there, and you can see these stopping follow candles. It just tell us that the market is going to reverse. Now, looking at the structure, for us to want to respect structure, we need to bring in the Fibonacci tool, at least from here to this zone here, the top. Now you see price bounce at the golden pocket. So now that we have seen price bounce at the golden pocket, what we should expect price to do is for price to go and make higher highs. If price is not able to make higher highs, then the next thing price is going to do is this. It's going to go fail, then come back to this 0.786 line, this line, around the previous line. And if price is not able to break this line, then it's my attempt to go up, come down. It must hold here. It must hold here. This is the structure you want to see for Neo. If the structure is not going to hold and price come right down here and break structure, then I think you just can. I think you can just allow price to play out, or you can pull in the FIP here from the bottom here, the day it was launched, to the top, to see the zones where you can buy back again. You can see this is it here. The 0 point, these zones, if say we're gonna see a major pullback, this is gonna be the first rejection, second rejection, and third rejection. So this is gonna be the area where you can look for a proper buy signal. But if it gets here around the 0.70 zone, then I think you can buy it as well. So let's just say, in essence, you can start DCA this project here. You buy here, buy here. If it comes down here, you buy more. So you can do it like that. That's how I do it, anyways. So you can apply it like that. Hopefully, this Neo analysis is helpful to you. Oh, I think that's it for today, guys. Let's not make the video to be so long. Let's allow this for another day. Let's do this another day. But before I go, I want to reassure you guys that we are on track to make lots of profit, lots of money. Don't feel discouraged. If say in the past you haven't been able to make money because maybe you were following the wrong people, or you didn't have enough information or enough knowledge about the market, it's okay. We all have been there. We have been there. What we must do is never give up. Keep hoping for the best. Keep building our portfolio to reflect, what the market is doing. And I'm here always to help you with that. Don't forget that. Make sure you are part of my group, my Telegram group. The link is found below this video. Go and join my Telegram group. My link tree is also found below this video. For my link tree, you can join my VIP group to get my buy and sell signal. If you just want to stay away from the stress, and you want to get my buy and sell signal, oh boy, my lips is so dry. I have to go and drink water now. Unfortunately, I don't have water here. But guys, that's it for today. Don't give up. We are here to stay. Having said all this good stuff, see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I might not be live. I think tomorrow I might not be live tomorrow. Or if I'm live tomorrow, it will be early in the morning. Yeah. But having said all this good stuff, guys, see you tomorrow. Ciao. Bye-bye.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, man.